Hello guys, this is a real video of that how to fix like comments disabled. So comments disabled থাকলে if your videos comments are disabled then okay just you need to go to YouTube Studio. এই প্রবলেমটা এই কদিন হচ্ছে গেল এই প্রবলেমটা This video is for Ariyan Playz. কে বলছিলাম যে কেমনে ফিক্স করতে হয় I guess he didn't understand it clearly. Okay, we're in YouTube Studio and then go to videos. Click on a video like this and go to more options and set it to allow comments. Allow comments থাকলে তারপর হচ্ছে না তাহলে yeah you shouldn't set this thing to yes it's made for kids. You want to read comments of your video. Gives it key actually as you can see, but this is what happened when we just set it to it's made for kids. Disable comments, like comments are disabled now. That's why I set it to no, it's not made for kids. আগে কমেন্টে ডিসেবল এনেবল করা ছিল কিন্তু ওটাকে ডিসেবল লাগছে মানে ওটা মেন করা হচ্ছে it answer this question. It answer this question. So I'm going to disable I guess. Yeah guys, that's it for the video on how to fix comments are disabled, and this video is for Ariyan Playz. I'm telling you guys again. Thank you guys for watching. Also please to subscribe and like the video. Bye.